Welcome back. Now a mobile app will take care of the safety of women. A Goan mobile software development company has developed and released an Android mobile application for women's safety. Developed by Genora Infotech, the application is titled Shout Out. The app sends an SOS SMS message with the person's GPS location coordinates to 5 mobile numbers.
Shout Out is an app developed in Goa by Genora Infotech Verna that sends an emergency message to 5 chosen contacts with the push of a button and also makes a phone call to a predefined number, all at one go. Apart from primary number, the app allows you to call a secondary number as well. The 5 mobile numbers of family members or friends have to be entered by the user upon the installation of the application. The app can also be configured to all one pre-entered number. 3 emergency services number, namely police, fire services and ambulance, are pre-configured.
Person in a panic situation, on the press of a button, using the app automatically makes a voice call to one predefined number, and at the same time it sends out 5 SMSs. Okay, these SMSs go giving your geolocation of exactly where you are. So say the receiver who receives the SMS, on the click of a button of that link, there's a link that comes in an SMS with that you receive, will give you exact location via Google Maps of where you are located. Okay, at the same time it gives you numeric coordinates also of your location. It gives you access to a secondary number as well. It makes a voice call at a secondary number as well. It also gives you the access to to emergency services numbers such as fire, police and ambulance as well.
Shout Out is available for download free of cost on Android platform. Our video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
The first ever Goa International Football Table will begin on Friday and will endeavour to go deep into solving the problems of Indian football. The Goa Football Development Council will hold this 2-day conference every year as it looks to develop all aspects of football in Goa and beyond. GFA President and club owner Srinivas Dempo is looking for answers to the quest of finding a business model in Indian club football. After unveiling the GIFT logo, GFDC Chairman Dr. Rufino Montero, GFA President Srinivas Dempo, GFDC Member Secretary Elvis Gomes addressed the media.
This summit of ours has the blessings of AFC, and we have Mohammed Bashir, who is the head of the coach education department of the AFC, who will be attending and delivering a talk. Similarly, the AIFF General Secretary Mr. Kushal Das would be making his presentation on community development. We have the CEO of South African Football Association, Dr. Robin Peterson, who will be making his presentation. Besides that, we have a host of names, including Dean Kovamans, who is the coach of the Indian football team. As announced earlier, we will be giving the awards and lifetime achievement mementos to various people. Andrew Bernard Cotton Dominic, the famous ABCD of Goan football, will be honoured, along with late Rekha Karapurkar, who was the captain of the Goan football team that beat Bengal and won the National Women's Football Championship. We'll also be honouring Armando Colasso for his achievement as the coach. Most Under-20 Most Promising Player Award, which will be this year going to Mobin Borges of Cesar Football Academy. This was selected by a committee appointed by GFDC.
Dempo Sports Club is yet to find a business model. However, it is a common problem in India. GIFT may provide the answers that Dempo has been looking for.
One of my biggest expectations as a club owner, not as a GFA president, is to see how we could make clubs more sustainable. And it's also indirectly connected to grassroots, because if we can produce good local players, probably we could reduce our budgets. Because even FIFA has commented in one of the seminars in Delhi where I was present that we pay ridiculous prices to the foreign players.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Tulsidas Chari from Panji. In view of Lusofonia Games to be held in November, Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar inspected various sports infrastructure projects in the state on Wednesday. Tawadkar visited Fatorda Stadium, which will be the main venue for the games. He believes that Tilak Stadium at Vasco will be ready by the last week of the month to host football matches. After inspecting the Nehru Stadium at Fatorda, Tawadkar addressed the media.
दर 15 दिसांनी रिव्यू घेतात मग काम आमची जो टार्गेट आसा त्या टार्गेटा प्रमाणे वता काय आत्तापर्यंत जे काम चल्लें आसा समाधानार चल्लें आसा आनी टार्गेटानुसार म्हाका दिसता बाय सप्टेंबर पर्यंत आमच्या हाताक मेळटलें की कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर म्हणणें आसा की बाय ऑगस्ट 15 पर्यंत आमी दिता अशें तांणी म्हणलें आसा तरी सुद्दां बाकीचे मायनर कांय थोड्यो गजाली उरतल्यो तरी सुद्दां म्हाका दिसता प्ले फील्ड आसा तो सादारणशे मे एंड पर्यंत कंप्लीट जातलो त्यामुळे बाकीचे गजाली उरतल्यो टॉयलेट चेंजिंग रूम जे आसा रेनोवेशन तें बाय सप्टेंबर पर्यंत आमकां मेळटलें त्याच दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान जी काम चल्लें आसा ते लुसोफोनिया गेम आमकां 2 नोव्हेंबराच्यान सुरू जातल्यो त्यामुळे एक मोठे चॅलेंज आमच्या समोर आसा.
Tawadkar then checked out the work in progress at Tilak Stadium.
टिळक मैदान डेव्हलप करपाक आमी आय लिगाचे खातीर डेव्हलप करता त्यामुळे आतां फायनल स्टेजीन आयिल्लें आसा ताजे फुडें आमी केन्ना तरी एक सादारण 20-22 तारखेक इनॉग्रेशन करपाक विचार करताले त्यामुळे काम कितें जाल्लें आसा खंय पावल्लें आसा तें पळोवपा खातीर मुद्दम आज आयिल्लो.
फुटबॉल मॅच बीन बेगीन स्टार्ट जातल्यो
हां बेगीन जातल्यो 23 तारखेर मॅच सुरू जाता आनी त्या दिसा आमी इनॉग्रेट करपाचो विचार आमी केल्लो आसा.
Our reporter Sameer Bhatt from Margao and reporter Surendra Markaikar from Vasco for Prudent. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.